Hi, I'm Rebecca, and this is my YouTube channel, Rarely 9 to 5. My life is, well, a little out of the ordinary. And this channel captures some of the stuff that I get up to. Today we are marking lemmies. These little tackers. This is where they get their vaccinations and castrating and their tails docked, all those sorts of things. We're all being very loud because we're separated from their mums and we're distressed. We get through there and we're all happy at the other end. This is our lamb marking cradle. So grab the lamb, pop it in like that. This clamps the lamb's legs in on springs. That holds it there while we do the bits we need to do. Here's the tally of how many males and females there are. And we count the ewes as we go as well, just to double check we've got all the right numbers. And of course making sure to keep a track of the vaccinations with their batch numbers and their expiry dates for our records. Some of the lambs are a little bit too small, so we just pop them over the fence and we'll get them next time. These are our first cross lambs, which means that they are bred from a merino ewe, which is what these are, and a border Leicester ram. This is a border Leicester ram, and this one in particular is currently in solitary confinement because he keeps pushing through the fence to go and visit the ladies. And they're not the ladies who he's supposed to visit, and he's certainly not supposed to be visiting them at this time of year. So he's in a bit of trouble at the moment. But he is the daddy of some of the lambs who we marked today. Now we'll leave everybody here in this holding pen to mother up again, give them a few hours just so that everyone gets a chance to find their mums and mums to find their babies. Now it is time to mark the lambage. Everybody has to get done. Hello, sweetheart. Hey, baby. She is a first cross ewe lamb, same as the ones we were just marking. So we'll be hanging on to her. Very important for her to get all her vaccinations. Hello, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button below, hit subscribe if you want to see more of the stuff that I get up to during my day, and head across to my Facebook and Instagram pages, which the link for those are in the description. On those social media pages, I share lots of other stuff about my day that do not appear in these videos. So check them out.